Hi, this is Jabbar Melvin. Today we can see break-even chart. The graphic presentation of break-even analysis is known as break-even chart. What is break-even point? The point at which the total cost line intersect with the total sales line is known as break-even point. So it is an equilibrium point. At this point, that is a break-even point, the cash are recovered and the profit begins in any organization. This break-even analysis is an important aid for profit planning. In this episode, we can see the break-even chart with an example. Now we can see the break-even chart. Based on the given table values, we can see the break-even chart. In this break-even chart, we want to identify the break-even point. For this, first you have to see the table. First column, number of units output given. Second column, total sales, that is revenue. Then third one is total fixed cost. The next one is total variable cost. The last column, total cost. It includes fixed cost plus variable cost. In this break-even chart, this horizontal line is x-axis, that is number of units output given here. In this y-axis, vertical line, cost and revenue data given. Okay, now based on the table values, we are going to find out the break-even point. In this chart, x-axis denotes number of units, that is output. Values 2000, 4000, 6000, 8000, then up to 20,000 given. Then in the y-axis, cost and revenue data given. Rupee value from 20,000 rupees to 2 lakhs rupees. Now you have to keep in your mind the data given in the table. That is, the first column, number of units output. Second column, total sales, that is revenue. Then total fixed cost. Then total variable cost. Last column, total cost, that is fixed cost plus variable cost. Now we have to draw the fixed cost line. Given data, you see the table, fixed cost is rupees 1 lakh. So 1 lakh. Now this line is fixed cost line. Fixed cost is constant in all the levels of output. Now we have to draw the sales line, that is revenue line. You see the table, second column, total sales, that is revenue, 24,000, 48,000, 72,000, 96,000, 1,20,000, 1,44,000, 1,68,000, 1,92,000, 2,16,000. This line is total sales line, that is revenue. This line is total sales line. Next we have to mark the total cost line. You see the table, last column, total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. Fixed cost plus variable cost. So in this total cost, the data 1,04,000, 1,08,000, 1,12,000, 1,16,000, 1,20,000, 1,24,000, 1,28,000, 1,32,000, 1,36,000. Now we have to plot the values in the chart. This line is total cost line. Total cost. It includes fixed cost plus variable cost. This line is total cost line. Now this point is the break-even point. Now listen here, this point is the break-even point. So in this point, no profit, no loss to the business organization. So this is an equilibrium point. This point we can call as equilibrium point. So in this break-even point, the company is getting no profit, no loss. So here the area below this break-even point is loss. The area below this break-even point is loss. Then the area above the break-even point is profit. In this break-even analysis, it is most important one. After this break-even point only, the company earns profit. The shaded area by this green ink is profit area. The area shaded by green ink is profit area. Then the area shaded by red ink is loss. In this break-even chart, the area shaded in red ink is loss to the business. Now the angle in this break-even point you can call as angle of incidence. In the given problem, break-even point in units is 10,000 units. Okay, now listen here. This is a break-even chart. Graphical presentation of break-even analysis we can call as break-even chart. Why this break-even point is most important one? Why this break-even analysis is most important one in any business? Because once we get the break-even point, once we reach the break-even point, then only profit begins in our business. Once we reach the break-even point, then only every business organization gets profit. Now see the graph. This is number of units output given in x-axis, then cost and revenue given in y-axis. Based on the given table, we put the values in the chart and we are getting break-even point 10,000 units. So below the break-even point, loss to the business. Then above to the break-even point, profit to the business. Above the break-even point, it is a profit to the business. Below the break-even point, it is loss to the business. So this break-even point helps to the organization, to the business people, to find out when we are getting the profit in our business.